Who doesn't like free fonts? And in this video, I'm going to be walking through a great site called Fabrica. There's lots of awesome things here like fonts, graphics, and all sorts of designs. But check this one out. This is a bundle, the Aesthetic Sophia font bundle, 100 premium fonts. It's completely free. That's right. Even if you don't have a membership for Fabrica, you can log in, just create an account for free, and you can log in and get free 100 premium fonts. Here's another one. This is lovely handwritten fonts bundle, 50 fonts. Normally it's $500. It's free. Now these won't be lasting forever, so I'm going to put links in the video descriptions and you can see how long these go for and you can check them out yourself. They're completely free. Okay, so I've logged into my account and I'm going to show you exactly how you can download this. So this is the Aesthetic Sophia font bundle, 100 fonts included. There's a download button right here on the right hand side. I'm going to click download, and just like that, I get a zip file that opens up and I can save this file now anywhere on my computer. Okay, so I've downloaded the font bundle. I'm now in Windows Explorer and I'm going to double click on my zip file. That's going to open up all of the font folders. So there's a whole bunch of folders here. There's actually 100 folders. I'm going to simply click on one, then I'm going to go Control A. That selects everything. I'll right click. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to do this. I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to click copy. I'm going to go back to my original folder and I'm going to click paste. We can see now all the fonts are loading in and now I have to install them, and there's a really easy way to do this. Simply open up one folder and you're going to see there's two different types of fonts. One is open type and one is true type. I would suggest if you're using a Windows computer that you use the open type font. You just simply right click it and then you go install or install for all users. I'm going to click install for all users. And then a little window opens up very quickly. It's on another monitor of mine, but it'll show you that it's installed. You can also double click on it and it will actually open up the font itself. And you can see there's different texts in here. They use the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog because it uses all the keyboard characters, every letter in the alphabet. And we can see there's also numbers and letters. So it gives you a great idea on how this looks. You could also click install here as well, and that's an easy way to install fonts too. Now if you'd like to get every font and every graphic that's on Fabrica, you can get an all access pass. It's as little as $4 a month. It's billed as $47 a year. I'm going to put a link to this in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on it and you wind up purchasing something, I would receive a small commission. I love using Fabrica. I can safely say I use it at least every day or probably 5 times a week. There's so many cool things on here. Fonts, graphics, the list really is endless. You can go to the top and you can see all the different categories. And if you get the all access pass, man, oh man, you can spend hours and hours looking through all of this and it's completely included in your all access subscription. Hope you found this helpful. Happy Valentine's Day coming up to you. And here's another video on how you can supercharge your print on demand journey and have some fun doing it.